Hey Eddie, John, West Coast Connects. Ronnie reached out to you guys the other day, wanted me to shoot this video over. So I'm going to keep the video short and sweet. It'll be anywhere from 6 to 8 minutes, but I want to show you a couple of tips that you can do to get more traffic and customers to your website. So without further ado, here we go. My first tip would be to add content to your site and optimize your photos. And content is anything that you can highlight, whether that be text, pictures, anything like that. And the reason why you want a lot of content on your homepage is because you want to be searched for specific targeted keywords. And if I have anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words, I can have 10 to 15 keywords that I could be searched for. So it really is good in adding to your keywords. And then any of these back pages, you want about 500 words to 1,000 depending. And again, you get about 5 to 10 keywords depending on the text and how much you have in there. But it just all adds to the amount of such stuff that Google can rank you for and search for you. So it's better to have more content than less. And realistically, Google uses that as a search parameter, as a ranking system. So if your competitor has 1,500 keywords, you'll want to one up them and have 2,000. So you always want to do better than your competitor to make sure you stay on the first page or get up once you get up to the first page to stay there and stay at the top of those top three. So that would be my first tip. And then when you save these images, instead of this being saved as some giant number or whatever it is, you want it saved as like general contractor, Torrance, California, or kitchen remodel company, Van Nuys, or whatever it may be, whatever keyword you're targeting, whatever traffic you're trying to gain, you'd want these pictures saved as that. So that's a couple of tips. And off on a side note, looking through your website, sometimes your header gets in the way of some of these things. You see our services, your emails covering it. Just clean that up a little bit. That won't help you in your customer traffic, but it's something I noticed as I went through your site. Um, Another thing is your GMB. So my second tip is to optimize this GMB. You have a couple reviews and they're 5-star reviews, which is great. But what I would do is I would add like 3 or 4 reviews every week. Try to go out and get it, whether that they be your clients, past clients, you know, whoever you can get to send in 5-star reviews. Start adding those periodically. Don't spam them. Don't do like 15 in one day because Google will flag it. So really periodically throughout the week, try to add to those reviews and that'll help boost your GMB up the rankings. And along with that, upload photos. And like we talked about with the homepage, you want those optimized to keywords. So whatever keywords you're trying to rank for, really go after really add those photos. You can save whatever photo as whatever. So add those keywords to those photos and upload them. And I went ahead and searched in your area and I put a KD or keyword difficulty from 0 to 10 because some of these general contractors things in LA get pretty crazy and they would take a year probably to at least to rank for, maybe even 2 or 3 years depending on, how strong the keyword difficulty is. But this is on a scale from 0 to 100. So what you want is you want a low keyword difficulty so that you can try to rank for it higher. So as you can see here, there's 550 clicks per month in these keywords that I put in, and I just put in a couple. I didn't search too heavily for it. But you can see there's quite a bit of traffic. I mean, if you can gain even, 5% of that, that's, 25, 30 customers every month. So really important to try to target specific keywords so that you can add to your customer base and really try to increase revenue every month. And as you can see here, general contractor Los Angeles, their keyword difficulty is 8. So realistically, what you could probably expect to, if you put money in it and SEO and really focus on improving your site, you could really probably within 6 to 9 months, maybe closer to 9 months, you can overtake that spot and be in the first page. So really important to kind of know how hard it is to rank for your specific keyword. So these are just contractors. I'm not sure you offer a lot of services, so I'm not sure what your favorite service is or what brings you the most money. You'd probably want to target those, but those are just to give you an idea. And I went ahead and put you guys into Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a site that shows the strength of your website. So you want this to be this is on a scale of 0 to 100. You want it to be as close to 100 as possible. And you guys are on 12 and point 0.1. And really what you want is these to be 1 to 1. So if this is a 12, you want this to be a 12. You're only ranking in the top 101 keyword, and you have 15 domains that are sending you 271 links back to your site. Okay, so you're not getting any traffic on your website, and your traffic value is 0 for Google Ads. If I was to spend Google Ads, I'd have to not spend any money to get the same amount of traffic. Okay, and so I put in one of those keywords that we search for over here: construction companies, Los Angeles, California. And your three main competition in that is mat construction, and you see a lot of pictures, a lot of content. Okay, cabin construction, again, a lot of pictures, a lot of content, nice looking site. Okay, and then Anderson construction. They don't have a lot of big site, but they do have some content here. They do have some pictures, and you can see Matt Contractor spends a lot of money. His site is pretty strong. He has 5,000 backlinks, 7,000 keywords. He's ranking in the top 100, and he's getting 3,500 clicks a month. So he's not missing out on much business. And then you can see cabin construction, again, $1,200 worth of traffic value. They're ranking in on almost 500 and 247 clicks a month. And then Anderson Builds, again, all right, they're ranking on 187 keywords. Their traffic is almost 200 clicks a month. So they're all doing a lot better than you guys, but really, if you put in the time, put in the effort, spend money. Some of these things you have to spend money to make money, kind of thing. You have to buy guest posts or get on specific sites that have a lot of authority to boost your rating up. So that would be my third thing. So 1, add content with keywords, optimize your photos. 2, optimize your GMB, and 3, strengthen your site. And the clicks and the traffic is there. So if you need anybody to help you out and figure this out for you and do it for you, please reach out. My contact information is in the email. I'd love to help you out. But with that, have a great day and God bless.